Budapest and beyond! Born in 1921, Hanna Szenes was a gifted poet and playwright that lived in Palestine. When, despite being far away from the Holocaust, she enlisted in the British Women's Auxiliary Air Force during World War II. She worked with partisans, disrupting Nazi activity and preventing deportations to concentration camps. On March 14th of 1944, she and two colleagues parachuted into Yugoslavia and learned that Hungary was Nazi-occupied. The two men that were with her returned home because their mission had been completed. Szenes could have ended her mission there, but she pressed onwards towards the Hungarian border. As she continued to move towards Hungary, she was able to share incredibly valuable information. Eventually, she was arrested by Hungarian guards. She was brutally tortured, but never revealed her transmitter code, which would have allowed the Nazis to trap others like her. She was tried for treason and executed by firing squad. Szenes kept diaries until her very last day. One of them read, "In the month of July, I shall be 23. I played a number in a game, the dice have rolled, and I have lost." On International Women's Day in 2020, sculptor Mihai Colotu unveiled his tiny sculpture of Hanna Szenes here at Hanna Szenes Park in Budapest.